We now have font weights within funnels and websites. This feature update will give you more design control on your websites and your funnels so you can draw attention and create better design. There are great benefits to this update. First of all, it's going to enhance your customization, allowing your business to adjust font weights for different components. It's also going to create a responsive design. Now your business can configure font weights separately for mobile and desktop views. It's also really user-friendly. This feature is easy to use with a slider for fine-tuning font weights to achieve that perfect desired visual effect. Let's talk a little bit about practical use. First of all, if you are a business and you're creating a funnel to sell an online course, honestly, it could be anything. It could be whatever offer you do. You can now use this feature to emphasize key points within your course or your product offering, making headlines bold on both desktop and mobile views, ensuring that students can easily follow along or prospects can easily follow along. So I'm going to take this a step farther. I am a bit of a design nerd myself, and so I really love to be able to use font weights to strategically draw the eye to specific areas within a funnel or in a website. So utilize that and get creative so that you are creating these really dynamic funnels and websites. I think that is where this new feature is really going to shine the most. So you're going to go into sites and you're going to choose either funnels or websites. And once you get in there, now in this screenshot, we're showing specifically funnels. And so in that funnel, if we're going to edit a funnel, we're going to click the three-dot kebab and we're going to open that up, or we could click new. Now in the next example, I'm actually going to show you this within websites, so don't get confused between the two. So in this example, we're specifically within a website, and so I'm going to show you exactly how to edit a page. You're going to go to any page within your website and you're going to click edit. This is somewhat similar within funnels, but in funnels, it's kind of that up and down where it's all of your funnel steps in a row, where websites, you see all of those pages. Now you're going to access your font weights. So within the text element, you're going to go over to the General tab on the right side, and you're going to now see font weights, and you'll see all of these different font weights. And you can pick or you can drag that dragging tool around. What's great about this is if you switch over to mobile and you can go back and forth between mobile and desktop, you have this exact same option. So always remember that you want to edit and look at things in both mobile and desktop. Most people are going to view your site on mobile, so keep that in mind. But generally, a lot of us really design from desktop, so just make sure you're going back and forth. This new feature provides greater flexibility in design, which is going to allow your business to create more visually appealing and readable content within the CRM. It's also really going to pump up how your designs look and how you can bring focus to certain areas within your funnel or your website. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.